What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best gaming PCs. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. We'll start our review list with the HP Omen 30L, the best value gaming PCs in 2023. The HP Omen 30L is a full-fledged gaming PC that offers an amazing gaming experience. Thanks to its fantastic internal components and elegant illumination, it comes equipped with the best processors and GPUs, including NVIDIA RTX 3090, RTX 3080, and RTX 3070, and several fans, one of which is very large and illuminated on the front to prevent overheating. The side panels in front are made of tempered glass that adds to its beauty, though it's prone to fingerprints. The inside of the computer is lit up with different colors in its RAMs. The Omen logo on the CPU cooler and the large graphics card has an illuminated GeForce RTX sign. In terms of performance, this gaming PC runs any game smoothly at higher ultra settings with exceptional graphics display and high-quality surround sound coming out of the headphones. Additionally, it starts up quickly and is easily upgradable for future use. With 32GB of DDR4 3200 HyperX SD RAM memory, it's really fast. Plus, you can customize its RGB lights using Omen's specialized software. And for great 3D surround sound, there is DTS-X headphone support and 5.1 surround sound output. Overall, the HP Omen 30L is a great gaming PC that provides amazing performance without having to compromise on looks or upgradability. For the listed price, we are thoroughly impressed. The next product we'll talk about in our review list is the Corsair One i300, also known as the best compact gaming PC in 2023. When we use a 12-liter chassis like the one found in the Corsair One i300, we're facing a very important challenge: to accommodate high-end components into a space that's so small that, frankly, it might seem impossible at first glance. The fact that Corsair succeeded, the American giant managed to mount the powerful Core i9 12900K and GeForce RTX 3080 Ti in the Corsair One i300. To give you an idea, a standard PC case is about 35 liters, so the Corsair One i300 is almost 3 times smaller. On the front, we have two USB Type-A 3.2 Gen 1 connectors, a USB Type-C 3.2 Gen 2 connector, and a 3.5mm jack. While on the back, we find a much wider range, including 2 connectors for external antennas, 2 Thunderbolt 4 connectors, 2 USB Type-A 3.2 Gen 2 connectors, 4 USB Type-A 3.2 Gen 1 connectors, a 2.5G LAN connector, and 3 3.5mm audio connectors, input and output. Going deeper into the interior, we see that the Corsair One i300 mounts an MSI Z690i motherboard in a mini ITX format, which houses a powerful Intel Core i9 12900K processor and a total of 64GB of Corsair Vengeance DDR5 memory, which operates in dual channel at 4800 MHz frequency. On top of that sits an impressive Pali GeForce RTX 3080 Ti graphics card. Unlike what was seen on other PCs by Corsair before this model, they opted to limit storage options this time around to either 1TB or 2TB on PCIe Gen 4x4 SSDs, allowing Windows 11 to fly quickly along with any other application you install without sacrificing performance, nor taking up too much space on your desk. The Corsair One i300 is truly something special, offering desktop-level performance with its small frame. If you don't hesitate to spend a few dollars more, we especially single out for you the Acer Predator Orion 7000, also known as the best premium gaming PC in 2023. Acer's range of gaming desktops is a jump in power. The company has confirmed that its new Predator Orion 7000 series is compatible with the new 13th generation Intel Core processors. These processors stand out because they offer a lot of power, something that allows the user's gaming experience to be even better. These desktop computers thus provide a leap in performance and quality. Acer improved them thanks to the use of the Intel Core i9 13900K processor. With their new hybrid performance architecture, these processors give gamers and creators the power to multitask, thanks to their advanced real-time computing capabilities, as well as their ability to perform highly efficient multitasking. They will allow you to perform all kinds of tasks without problems, from playing games, creating content, or editing photos and videos. The powerful Predator Orion 7000 uses an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3090 graphics card and up to 64GB of DDR5 4000 RAM to enhance its graphics and performance. The chassis is EMI compliant and has a clear tempered glass side panel. This showcases the multicolored ambiance created by its two 140mm 5.5-inch Predator Frostblade 2.0 fans, as well as its 120mm 4.7-inch Predator Frostblade 2.0 rear fan, which lights up 8 ARGB LEDs. Built-in Predator Sense software allows users to adjust ARGB lighting, fan speed, and overclocking. Finally, the Acer Predator Orion 7000 does well in terms of connectivity. On top, there are 3 USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A ports, USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type C port, and 2 audio ports. If you can afford this beast, we say go for it. Up next, we present to you this silver medal and the title of the runner-up Best Gaming PC on the market in 2023. It's the Lenovo Legion Tower 5i, a computer designed to offer high performance. This model is able to respond to the different needs of gamers, even in professional gamers and content creators. The Lenovo Legion Tower 5i 28IMB05 we reviewed has specs that are certainly high enough for gaming purposes. The device comes with Intel Core i7-10700 Comet Lake, which is manufactured with 14nm process. The motherboard uses the Intel B460 chipset, where this motherboard has a micro ATX form factor. There are 4 memory slots for RAM, 1x PCIe 3.0 x 16 slot, 2 x SSD M.2 NVMe PCIe slot, and 6 x SATA ports. The default configuration on this computer uses 32GB of dual-channel DDR4 2933 RAM installed, with 16GB each. Meanwhile, it uses a 512GB M.2 NVMe PCIe SSD for storage. Interestingly, the available M.2 SSD has a cooler. In terms of graphics, this device uses an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2070 Super 8GB GDDR6 GPU that has 2650 CUDA cores. Of course, that's enough for gaming and other heavy tasks. A combination of metal and polycarbonate materials is used for the case of the Lenovo Legion Tower 5i. The housing has the shape of a tower, with a volume up to 28 liters. The listed size is 45.7 centimeters by 18.45 by 45.58 centimeters in height. The dimensions are quite slim and don't take up too much space when placed on the table. This computer is also equipped with a pre-built wireless connection using the Intel Wi-Fi AX201 chipset modem, Wi-Fi 6. It supports MU-MIMO and Gigabyte Wi-Fi. It also has Bluetooth version 5.1 support. Furthermore, Dolby Atmos software is available for audio profile settings on the Lenovo Legion Tower 5i, starting with games, movie, music, and voices. There's also a sound radar feature, a kind of in-game radar overlay to determine the direction of sound so that enemies can be detected more easily. Thumbs up, that's for sure. Finally, we present the Alienware Aurora R13, the long-awaited gold medalist and best overall gaming PC of 2023. The Alienware Aurora R13 is as beautiful as ever, with one of the most elegant designs in mainstream gaming PCs. Pre-built gaming PCs like the Alienware Aurora R13 are becoming more and more prominent, especially when you consider that the components gamers need to build their own PC are becoming more and more expensive. This new tower from Alienware comes with several cosmetic upgrades, including a glass side panel that's been missing from Dell's high-end gaming PCs for several years. The Alienware Aurora R13 uses the latest 12th generation Intel processors, and the model in front of us uses a Core i9-12900K. It's a power-hungry chip and emits a lot of heat when it's running, but Alienware decided to equip it with a 120mm AIO liquid cooler to compensate. To open it up, there's a small tab on the back of the computer just above the rear port, fixed with a Phillips screw. Simply unscrew that screw, pull out the tab, and the side panel will release for removal. It's a much more accessible design, and we welcome it. On the front, you have 2 USB-A ports and 1 USB-C, along with very attractive RGB lighting around the center panel. Then on the back, you get a great collection of ports, just what you'd expect from a gaming PC. Since the Alienware Aurora R13 we're reviewing is equipped with an Intel Core i9-12900K, an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3090, and 64GB of DDR5 RAM, there's hardly a game that won't run on this thing. This gaming PC has absolutely no problem playing any game on the market at 4K at all max settings. If you want a beautiful gaming PC, this Alienware Aurora R13 is as beautiful as ever, only now with a glass side panel that lets you see inside the machine. With the level of hardware you can use to customize this Aurora R13, you can get serious gaming performance. This is the machine you buy when you want the best gaming performance and don't care about anything else. Overall, this model delivers premium performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it. So that's it for the top 5 best gaming PCs in 2023. Like, comment, and subscribe to receive the notifications about our latest video.